this is our Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner. And this is the dog hair that it's been sucking up for years. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. It has sucked up quite a bit of husky hair in this house, and now the battery is dead. So we got a replacement battery for this.
Yeah, the newer models, these are just interchangeable and you can pop them in and out, but one of the older models, they are not.
They're like built in.
Yeah, you'll actually need a Phillips screwdriver, and it should only take a second to...
Alright, we're going to show you guys how to replace this battery for this Dyson. This battery was sent to us in return for our honest review. The battery that we currently have in this Dyson lasts like, what, 3 minutes?
Yeah, unfortunately, it does die really quick.
Yeah. So, and like I said, it has vacuumed up a lot of dog hair. So to replace this battery, like we said, it's actually super simple. There's what, just a couple of screws.
2 right here, yep.
Unscrew right here, and this battery is gonna slide right out of here. You can see this is the original Dyson battery that has been in it the entire time. I can show you here that this is not a Dyson brand, but we're gonna use it. You got the first 2 screws out, and then on the back of the handle that you hold, there's one more screw that has to come out as well. Pop that right out of there. Ta-da. And then, check that out. Battery slides right out. You can see, looks like the same battery to me. I guess if I turn it this way,
say it was backwards.
now they look the same.
Yep.
Okay, slide it in there. Oh my gosh, you're going to be able to vacuum for more than 3 minutes at a time?
It probably even have a little bit more power too.
This vacuum we've had so long, this has become our basement vacuum. It hangs out downstairs. But it's nice to have a working vacuum, and this one has been slowly working for less and less and less for quite a while. So put them 3 screws back in, and I think we're good to go. All right, go ahead. There it goes. And I think that's going to work. It's got the light on it just like the other one. The charger plugs into it just like the regular one.
That should be pretty good.
Yeah, so if you guys are looking to replace the battery in your Dyson V8,
It can be done.
this battery we will be taking for recycling. It can be done. And now it's going to be like a new vacuum all over again. Woohoo! Time to suck up more husky hair. Yep. All day, every day. Hey, look, it already lasted longer than the other one.
Yeah, oh wait, it's even got a max mode?
Yeah.
I wasn't able to use that before.
Oh, the old battery? Yeah, so the old battery, the max mode didn't work anymore.
Yeah,
Oh, you have max mode again.
I mean, I'm sure it won't last as long on max mode.
I mean, it should last at least 15, 20 minutes.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty good.
So, nice.
Cool.
If you're looking for a replacement battery for your Dyson, again, this one is specifically for the V8. We recommend this. Fit perfect, easy to install. Nice job.